some countries don't have the 31st of December. They don't have it. They purposely eradicated that because they don't believe in it. But the Bible says that Christ was telling the disciples that how many of you will want to build a tower without first sitting down and take the cost? How much is this thing going to cost? So that when he started and he's not able to finish, people will not laugh at him. Now, we don't have a course that we will take onto other than beginning to ask yourself, what have I done in 2011 that I don't want to be repeated? What exactly had I wanted to do, but I couldn't do it? Maybe I should say it this way. What are the plans that I have for myself in 2011 that I was sure I was going to make it? I had it in my mind. I knew that I was going to make it. There was nothing that could have stopped me. But somehow I couldn't do it. I don't know how I got lost along the way. I don't know what happened. I had my mind made up. I was prepared and I was in full gear that I was going to go. But somehow I messed up. It wasn't my plan because no one planned to fail. But I probably failed to plan. If you make it in life, don't call your friend lazy. If you're fortunate to make it in life, don't call your friend lazy. Because it was not your efforts that got you where you are. It was the strength and the grace of God.